In today's video, we will be doing an unboxing and try-on of our brand new magnetic lash, the Happy Lash. Before we get started, to make sure you never miss any of our try-ons, you can subscribe to our channel down below and be sure to hit the bell to be notified anytime we post. Let's get into the try-on. So I've known about Happy Lash for what seems like forever, and I am so excited that it's finally launching because, you guys, I love this lash. So here it is, presenting Happy Lash. This lash is for sure going to boost your mood. It's handcrafted with evenly distributed and varying lengths of mink lashes for a voluminous 3D effect. It's curled to open and enhance and make eyes take center stage. It's perfect for almond or hooded eyes, and it sends good vibes. Gotta throw some cheesy in there. Maybe we need a cheesy lash. That would be perfect for me. So my favorite thing about these lashes is that they're so curled and they lift your eye up. Honestly, I've never had lash extensions myself, but I feel like these look like lash extensions. Not only are they less expensive, but they are way quicker to apply. It takes 2 seconds and you've got Happy Lash and you're happy. On the inside and on the outside. So there you have it, our brand new Happy Lash. We hope you love it as much as we do. But maybe you're new to magnetic liner and you need some tips and tricks on how to apply the liner itself. You can check out this video right here where we give our best tips and tricks on how to apply our liquid magnetic liner. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.